second out.
Our mutya ng San Antonio second runner-up will receive a cash, sash, crown, and bouquet to be awarded by Shane Toralba, Jefferson Baleda, Jackson Titalio, and Jesse Bursing.
Our mutya ng San Antonio second runner-up, it's you! What's your bad? What's your bad? It's you! Candidate number 3! Number 3
is Leonardo A. Papillon.
Thank you, presenters, and congratulations, candidate number 3. And now, candidate number 6 and candidate number 7. Pwede po bang magkahawak ang ating mga kamay? And baka gusto nyo rin magbigay ng mensahe. Mag-usap-usap po na kayong dalawa. Ayan. Di ba parang napaka-fair ng ating laban? Ayan. No matter what, ano, deserve ninyo manalo for tonight. Now, my dear friends, I will be announcing the first runner-up. Again, I will be announced the mutya ng San Antonio 2025 first runner-up. So, syempre, kung sino yung hindi natawag, siya ang ating first ever mutya ng San Antonio 2025.
Our mutya ng San Antonio first runner-up will be receiving a cash, sash, crown, and bouquet to be presented by Honorable Christian Pilar, Mr. Nolan Borcelles, Lili Canaria, and Antoinette Sistina. Our mutya ng San Antonio 2025 will also receive a cash, sash, crown, and bouquet to be presented by Honorable Arnel Borcelles, Municipal Councilor-elect Patrick Chan, Municipal Councilor-elect Iabang Balasta, and Municipal Mayor-elect Bong Tan.